Yo, what up people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rom. If it's your first time hitting this channel, I review sneakers and talk about investments. If that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button below for more content. Today I want to talk about why I decided to invest in sneakers in 2020. So I've always had a love for sneakers. I remember getting my first pair of Jordans when I was about 8 or 9 years old. And ever since then I've been hooked. I've always been a collector. I've always had at least 30 to 40 pairs of trainers, anytime, anywhere that I can go back to. And I've never seen sneaker reselling as a way of making money. I've always been a collector. I wear all my sneakers, but up until about 2 to 3 years ago, getting a pair of Jordans was pretty easy. And about a year ago, getting a pair of Jordans was pretty much impossible because of how the sneaker market was going, how everyone was consuming sneakers, the trends, and everyone's following the hype of sneakers. So about 2 years ago, I noticed a trend on how sneakers are being consumed. I see the rise of StockX as an app, but I've never seen myself as a sneaker reseller. This year has been so uncertain, so as well as putting money into other things like property and ISAs, I'm putting a lot more money into sneakers. And this is because stock markets are up and down. You don't really know what is happening. You can't really analyze the market because it will crash tomorrow and then you lose all your money. So I've been putting a lot more money in sneakers, and I believe sneakers are the only things I see right now that you can put money in and it will appreciate in value, or at least hold its value if you pick the right sneaker. Investing in sneakers for me is all about monitoring trends, monitoring hype, doing really good background research on any sneaker model that's coming out, so you know where they're dropping, how they're going to be dropping, if there's going to be a raffle or a draw or just general release, what the quantity of the sneakers are, and this will give you a determination on how limited they're going to be, how hyped they're going to be, and that will help you to make a decision if you're going to be investing in these sneakers or not. This is pretty much the same how the stock market works. You have to do your research, you have to monitor trends. The same as the stock market is the same in the sneaker resale market. You can be doing all the research in the world, have the best research, and then you decide to invest in a sneaker and then it just dips in value. Prime example of this is the Nike SB in the Samba colorway. I predicted that these were going to start around $250 and increase as time goes on, but prices have been dropping and dropping on these. And it's just a prime example of how unpredictable the sneaker market is. You could have the best research in the world and the value of what you're investing in just drops, and you just have to know this is a risky game. Any type of investment is risky. If you're investing, don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and that's what I always say. Hey guys, if you find the information useful so far, hit the subscribe button below for more content. So my strategy is to always cop at retail. I would never go more than £30 over the retail value if I was to hit the resale market, and this is the main way to maximize profits. For the most hype sneakers, this isn't ideal, but we make it work. Pretty much all the sneakers I've copped is at retail. Let me run through a couple of sneakers that I have invested in, and these are all my long haul sneakers. These are sneakers I'm going to be holding for at least 12 to 18 months. These are the Air Jordan 1 Tokyos, and I'm holding these for at least 12 months because these were supposed to be releasing for the Olympics, and the Olympics got postponed, but next year the Olympics are coming, so I reckon next year prices of these will skyrocket when the Olympics is back on. They released in 2001 and retroed this year, so I believe these are going to start increasing around next July, next August, so it's a good time to cop a pair of these. Prices are low. Next sneaker I'm investing in for a long hold is the Wotherspoon and Atmos collaboration with Asics on the Gel Lyte 3 model. I've done a review of that, so if you want to check that out, the video is up there. But these are going to increase in value. They're already trending for quite a bit of money right now. Good profit to be made on these right now. These were very limited, and if you see the way the Nike pairs performed for I think the next year, they were just skyrocketing $800 to about $1,000. I expect these to be the same. So this is the Air Max 1 Sneakers Day release, and these dropped on Sneakers Day in the EU only, and only on the Sneakers app, so these were extremely limited. I'm gonna hold these for as long as possible, and yeah, these are something so different. The quality of these is just insane. I expect the value of these to hit around 400 in the next year, so it's definitely something to hold as dead stock for the next year to 18 months. I'll see what the market looks like and then I'll make a determination if I'm going to sell or hold. Next sneaker we're going to look at is the Nike SB Dunk Low, the chunky Dunkies. This is a collaboration between Ben & Jerry's and Nike. I've mentioned these quite a few times on my channel, but these are probably the most profitable trainers I have in my collection. These are currently trading for around £1,200 or about $1,500. And for a trainer that retail for $100, that is a great return on investment. These sneakers are going to go down as one of the most iconic dunks to ever be released. I'm still conflicted if I should sell them or should I actually keep them. I will see what the market looks like in the next 18 months. And I think these are a long hold. These are going to be the sneakers that I hold on to for the longest time. It'll be very hard to sell these for me. All the sneakers I've just shown are sneakers I picked up for retail. It is not impossible. You just need to ensure that you know where these sneakers are dropping, how they're dropping, and once you know this information, you can enter raffles, you can enter draws, just to give you the best opportunity of picking up these sneakers. So that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed the information I gave you, found the information useful. Hit the subscribe button below, hit me in the comments and let me know what you think. Peace.